So here's the law of cosine, what it is and when we need it. We like the law of sine. Okay? The law of sine is easy to use, easy to remember, but the problem with the law of sine is in order to use it, we have to have side A and angle A, or side B and angle B, or side C and angle C paired up. If we don't have that, then we are forced to use the law of cosine. So we need to know the law of cosine. The law of cosine is actually not that difficult to remember. If you know the Pythagorean theorem, c squared equals a squared plus b squared, then you actually already know half of the law of cosine. All it is really just this sort of appendix at the end. And there you go. That's the law of cosine. The easiest way for me to remember it is these two letters pop up, and then the only angle I have, this very last letter, is actually the same as this very first letter here. So again, we could have alternate versions of this. If this was a squared equals b squared plus c squared, or if this was b squared equals a squared plus c squared, then the appendix at the end is just going to be minus 2 bc cosine that letter at the very beginning, angle A. Same thing here, minus 2 AC cosine, and make sure it's cosine, not sine. That's actually a pretty common mistake made by students. This is side B, so we end up with angle B.